competition.
Palakpakan po natin ang iba ng judges at tatlong judges po natin. We have Isabella Vernon-Guarino, Mr. Jonathan Leslie Maru, and of course our chairman of the board of judges, Mr. Davidson Oliveros. Thank you so much, ma'am and sirs.
And of course, I'd also like to repeat the criteria for judging for this competition. For the best in talent, we have mastery and style for 40%, level of difficulty 30%, relevance and message 20%, overall impression 10%, for a total of 100%.
Alright, your friends, sino kaya sa mga nagkakagdahan bilang na ito ang mananalo sa talent competition natin sa kabila?
Of course, before we announce the winner, alright, we'd like to thank once again our sponsors for giving us a Pangasinan as well as Peace Diet 2019.
Okay. We have Miss Yasmina Resort for the United City, Highlandia Hotel Alamin City, Capital Resort, Caligay, Royal Family Resort, Pagdong de Sol Pangasinan, Sierra Beach House, and Pagdong de Sol Pangasinan, Municipality of Pugalian, Municipality of the Sol, Sunflower Cafe, Allied Botanical Corporation in Tayo, San Roque Power Corporation in San Manuel Pangasinan, also LGU Tayo, LGU San Manuel, LGU San Quintin, Riverside Restaurant in Banyaga Pugalian, Seafood Island, Ferdinand City, SMCD Rosales James Babong Leandro Armando's Place, Calasiao.
We also have Municipality of Calasiao, that is Puro Calasiao, Robinson's Place, Pangasinan, LA Group Cosmetics, Watson's, Steve Redford Gift Packs, Sigay Buffet Restaurant, Grace Club Couture for the official swimsuit and casual dresses of our new guests of Pangasinan, Jojo Pagkain sa Pagkain Shoes, J-Line Photography and Videography at Calasiao, Pangasinan, SCI Dibuman, Pangasinan Provincial Police Office, Smart Town Communications, and Bank of the Philippines, Networks and Federal Home Credit, and Provincial Government of Pakistan, headed by, of course, our Honorable Governor Armando Pobi, ISP Golden Cruz.
So once again to all our partners and sponsors, thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Yes, and so also we'd like to inform everyone that the awarding for the best in talent will be on April 30 at the Seashore Ramos Sports and City Center Gymnasium. Okay, April 30 at 7 p.m. with our pageant and coronation ceremony.
Yes, but tonight we will announce the winner for the best in talent. So may we have the result?
Ladies, are you ready? And who will be?
Sino kaya? With an average score of 93.83, ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Talent for you guys, the Pangasinan 2019 is our Miss Talent. We have with us number 7.
So once again, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to invite everyone to please watch the pageant and coronation night of the Best Pangasinan 2019 at the Seashore Ramos Sports and City Center Gymnasium at 7 a.m. And of course, other activities of Peace Diet.
Also at 7 p.m. at New York at the Sam's Club in Louis. At 7 p.m. we also have the Peace Diet Pizza at Pizza sa Lahat. At 8 p.m. we have the program followed by the Lula Wine at Manfurdy. And at 6 in the evening we have the Manjo Market at the Fast Food Building. At 7 p.m. we have the Bottle of the Concert at the Kingdom Club. And then every Friday we have 8 p.m. the Kausayaw Sing-Up Dance Competition. We bring you the fairest and gorgeous ladies of the province, the daughters of Princess Sordua, who are vying for the most prestigious title, Bigas na Pangasinan 2019.
Limgas na Bugaya! Patricia Animal Montabago, 19, Limgas na Minmala! Felicio Ligaspan Carrillo, 20, Limgas na Mangalda! Nice, Nathan of Thomas Ana, 18, Limgas na Samantha! Gwendolyn Melise Priya Soriano, 20, Limgas na Labrador! Jenny Zacarias de la Cruz, 20, Limgas ng Mangandaran! Janice Manuel Juan Asuncion, 21, Limgas na Swan! J.M. Paragas, 19, Limgas na Leyte! Tiffany Glad ng Rot, 19, Limgas na Hazel Louise Angoli, 20, Limgas na Bulinaw! Ona Brexy Sara Molina, 19, Limgas na Navina Marquez, 19, Limgas na Dagupan City! Perla Mortera Minali, 23, Limgas na Villa Street!
And now, ladies and gentlemen, please meet our host in tonight. Alright, go on, time.
The best talent will receive a cash bouquet Sachman trophy.
So last April 23, 2019, we held the talent competition. And the season of Detroit, and one of these ladies outshined the rest of them all in her talent. And the winner for the best in talent,
Ngayon pa lang last season, marami na tayong double win.
congratulations to Limgas number 7, Limgas na Labrador, our winner in the best in talent.
Alright, let's move on.
Privilege to be exhibited in our galleries at the Heritage Center and later on in our museum. Okay?
The presenters for the Basin Festival costume, we have Dr. Ana Maria Teresa Divisman, Mr. Emilio Samson, and Mr. Madam Rene Salud. Okay. And the Basin Festival costume, we
Our triple winner for today, our best in festival costume, number 7. Alright, hindi niya kaya pagawin lahat ng booking niya. Alright, again, congratulations to number 7. Yes.
So triple win in the first set of our minor awards.
Best in promotional video, we have Engineer Alvin Pinga and Dr. Vico Tabares. She will receive a cash and a trophy. Congratulations, Limgas Mangalan.
Great summer video naman talaga para nakaka-entice na pumunta doon bilang never been that place.
Parang kung kapag napanood mo yan, parang galing ka na ron kahit hindi pa.
Yes.
Okay? So once again, congratulations to Miss Mangaldan, or Limgas Mangaldan, the winner in the best in promotional video.
Alright, congratulations to all our winners, and that concludes our first.
Ladies, thank you so much. Yeah. Ladies, for the swimsuit competition. let's welcome the guest number 2. And the designer for her gown is Vladimir Ichapada. The designer of her gown is Glenn Cesar. Please welcome in class number 4. The designer of her gown is William Fernandez. Let's welcome in class number 5. And the designer for her gown is Michael Miguel. Now let's welcome in class number 6. The designer of her gown is Ayame. Please welcome in class number 7. And the designer for her gown is William Fernandez. Please welcome in class number 8. The designer of the gown is Johnson Soriano. Please welcome in class number 9. And her gown is by Elizabeth Smith. Now let's welcome in class number 10. The designer of the gown is RJ Cruz. team. The designer of the guard is Angelica Velasquez. And last but not least, the dress number 15. And the designer of the gown is Christopher Castillo. All the candidates in the evening gown.
Our first of our second set of special award is Miss Congeniality Award.
Congratulations, Colonel Lee Body of Villasies, Pangasinan.
And our winner for this pageant is Libras Napagalion.
Again, as our Miss Photogenic Structure Second Structure Squad. Pinakita naman ang mga pagkawala ng Miss Photogenic.
So congratulations to Libras Napagalion.
Sino ang best in swimsuit natin this year?
Alright, our best in swimsuit for this year's Libras is Libras number
Sino ba?
7. Our best in swimsuit for this year's Libras is Libras number
Sino ba?
7.
Best in evening gown designer.
Of course,
Or the candidate that's wearing the best in evening gown of the designer is candidate number
7. And that is
Alright. Pagkasinan, ito na po ang top 8. Candidate number 7.
next one. We have Libras number 3.
Big Boss number 3 is Big Boss number 1. Handsome player number 2.
Alright. Next one is candidate number 5.
Candidate number 5, Feliz Nicole Carino
Well, ladies, congratulations sa inyo lahat, but we only have one spot left, and that is
The last spot goes to Ligas number 11.
Limbas number 11 is Limbas sa Sinban, Tiffany Munoz. Congratulations, lady.
Pangasinan, you're top 8. A round of applause.
So for all the ladies who didn't make it to the top 8, thank you so much. Right?
Candidate number 7, candidate number 3, candidate number 5, candidate number 15, 13, 10, 4, and 11. Pangasinan, here is your top 10. How are you feeling tonight?
Feeling overwhelmed and grateful and excited as well.
Candidate number 7, your question is, what do you think is Pangasinan's most immediate concern? And as a Limgas na Pangasinan, how do you propose to address and solve it?
I think that more than the environmental, agriculture, and economic problems here in our province, the two main problems that we are encountering is the lack of discipline and the selfishness of people. These two core problems are leads to bigger problems, and I think if we are able to solve that, we will have a harmonious, sweeter, and better province.
I think the Pangasinan's most immediate concern is the people. I think we should start recalculating our ways and start changing our ways.
Good evening, everyone. As a Limgas na Pangasinan, I think that Pangasinan's immediate concern is, for me, it's the lack of employment.
As an education graduate, I think that the most immediate concern of my province is somehow education. However, I see this as a platform which I can be very helpful in, and as a volunteer for Hope for Change for an organization that pushes for education.
Well, for me, the most immediate concern of Pangasinan is to enhance our tourism. We all know that Pangasinan is the center of attraction here in the north because we have a very abundant and blessed environment, especially the aquaculture.
If I will win Limgas sa Pangasinan 2019, I think the main problem here in Pangasinan is the perseverance of ecotourism attractions. I believe that in life or in a province, we have actually a lot of concerns. We have poverty, we have environmental issues, and other major and minor concerns. But these issues could be solved through proper planning of a long-term goal. I think the social issue that Pangasinan facing today is in promoting our tourism. Because, and if I will be crowned as Limgas sa Pangasinan, as a beauty queen, I always carry the place where I came from. And I can promote Pangasinan by joining beauty pageants, regional, national, or international. also how I would summarize the entire year that I have been given the honor of wearing the Limgas na Pangasinan crown. This once-in-a-lifetime experience has strengthened
strengthened and changed me in ways I wouldn't have previously thought possible. To my Heavenly Father, the source of my
Joining our Libras Pangasinan 2018, our Libras de Turismo 2018 Miss Samantha Fernandez Alpagalian, and Libras de Kalikasan 2018 Miss Joyan Bargoma of Villasis. Okay, namely, the first runner-up, the second runner-up, and the 3 titles, which are Libgas na Kalikasan, Libgas na Turismo, and of course, Libgas na Pangasinan 2019.
Alright.
As we move to the right, so give our ladies some space.
Yes, we now have our result. The final moment.
Alright, Pangasinan.
Are you ready?
This is your second runner-up.
The presenters for the second runner-up, we have Mr. Alex Fidel, Ms. Maureen Rizal-Lubovich, Mr. Christopher Monar, and she will receive cash, bouquet, and sash, and a trophy.
Alright, Miss Andrea Torres, please. Miss Maureen as well. Alright, guys. Pangasinan. Limgas na Pangasinan 2019 second runner-up is... Siyempre, walang gusto sumigaw kasi binibigyan na mananalo yung candidate nila. Alright! Candidate number!
Candidate number 10!
Congratulations, Libgas number 10, Joyan Caracas. Welcome, you both.
Our candidate second runner-up will win back 32,000 cash, bouquet, sash, and a trophy.
Okay, congratulations, Libgas number 10, our second runner-up. Now our first runner-up.
Pangasinan, this is our first runner-up!
The presenters for the first runner-up, we have Mr. Ellsworth Gonzalez, Ms. Marife Azarit, and Mr. Jojo Pergales.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Limgas na Pangasinan 2019 first runner-up is... Congratulations, candidate number 3!
Congratulations, Libgas number 3, Bargalian, our first runner-up.
Again, I see the nods and approval of our judges. So, in agreement naman sila sa nanalo for our first runner-up, our candidate number 3.
Okay, so what is she winning here?
Okay.
52 cash.
We now,
40,000 cash.
we now come to the 3 titles.
Okay, we know the titles. Next one will be Libgas na Kalikasan.
The presenters for the Libgas Kalikasan, we have Attorney Libo Alcaba, Ms. Marilu Otanes, Madam Rene Salud, and Ms. A. Joy Ann Bartong. Our Libgas na Kalikasan.
Pangasinan, Limgas
Liengas ng Turismo.
Representatives from the Linguas de Turismo, we have Vice Governor Mr. Ferdinand Z. Calimuc Jr., Madam Maria Luisa Aguayan, Mr. Paulo Ballesteros, and Ms. Samantha May Fernandez of Linguas de Turismo 2018.
Alright. Pangasinan, sino kayo ba na ng Liengas ng Turismo?
Linguas de Turismo,
Alright, based on the statute ng rating, Liengas ng Turismo 2019 is candidate number!
number
Congratulations to our Liengas ng Kalikasan at Liengas ng Turismo 2019 winners.
Congratulations, everyone. Ayan, to all our ladies. Ayan, okay.
Pangasinan!
Are you ready?
Ang ganda Liengas ng Pangasinan 2019!
Representatives from the Linguas ng Pangasinan 2019, we have Honorable Governor Ahmad Raya Espino III, Madam Karina Espino, Ms. Catalina Rodriguez, of course, Representative of Land Bank of the Philippines, Ms. Jemima Antolago, Linguas ng Pangasinan 2018.
Pangasinan, sino kayo ba na ng Liengas 2019? Pangasinan, Liengas ng Pangasinan 2019 is
To receive a cash prize of 150,000 pesos, okay, such from the University Crown, and our official representative to the Miss Millennial Philippines.
Liengas 1 ng Pangasinan 2019 is Liengas number 7! Alright. Of course, our Liengas ng Pangasinan 2019 would also be the official representative of the province of Pangasinan to the Miss Millennial Philippines. And to put on a